Ladies and gentlemen, we're back.
Hi everyone, Jan here from Jan's Art. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm in a collaboration with a bunch of very talented guys in the Pouring with the Fellas collaboration. I'll be showing you how I did this piece. Can you see it? Yes, you can see it. I'm not really sure about the direction. Can go anyway, but it's pretty cool. So yeah, we have this collaboration. Thank you to Garrick for initiating it. The theme is what's new for you in 2023. Initially I thought there's not really much new for me, but yeah, I have just recently finally created a TikTok account. So I have a few uploads on that, and the first one actually in my world took off with several hundred views within a few minutes. And then the other day I decided to also, I've heard a lot about how shorts really is taking off on YouTube. So I actually started or decided to try to make a short on the YouTube channel. And it really, the first one within an hour had 1,500 views, which blew my mind because that is a lot for my channel that is not that big yet. I think I have almost 1,500 subscribers now, so that's great, but of course I would like to grow it more. And another thing coming up is an acquaintance of mine actually asked me the other day if I wanted to be part of an exhibition that she is in charge of in March. The theme there is overfed and under something else with an F. And so I have to come up with something for that. And also, very exciting, I'll be having an exhibition in our local cafe just around the corner. It's a LGBTQ cafe restaurant in this Schöneberg neighborhood in Berlin. I will be having an exhibition for Pride Month in July, so it's opening on the 4th of July. So that's really exciting, and I am really looking forward to that. Apart from that, not much else happening, and I will not waste more of your time. I'll just get you down on the canvas and show you how I did this piece. So I hope that you enjoy this collaboration. Unfortunately, I don't know yet who is coming up after me because we have not prepared the order yet, but there will be a description in the link below, and there will also be a playlist that you can just start, and then you can watch the whole lineup. I hope that you enjoy it. You have a wonderful day, and I'll take you down on the canvas. Bye. Today I'm in a collaboration with a bunch of talented guys. We did a collaboration, I'm not sure when it was, but I think it was actually for Valentine's Day last year, right after Valentine's. So yeah, it's been a year almost, and so we're in a collaboration. We don't really have any rules about the collaboration, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a throw everything on the canvas and see what sticks. I'm using leftover paints, so I also will have a hard time telling you all the colors that I'm using, but my base coat is this silver. It is mainly the silver from Deco Art Metallics, but there's also some other silvers in it. This is gold, mainly the Deco Art 24K, but there's also some golden fluids, fine gold in it. This one, this blue one, is also Deco Art Metallics, and it's the sapphire. This one, I'm pretty sure, is golden fluids, Payne's Gray. And here we have another mix. It is a mix of Artessa's Bordeaux Red and Posse, what's it called? Posse Porridge Posse paint in Barn Red Shimmer, and Quinacridone Nickel Ace of Gold from Golden, the heavy bodied one. This is Athena by TOP. That's, I'm not sure, it must be an orange from Amsterdam. Not 100% sure. This is a Submarine from TOP. So I'm gonna use the silver as the base coat, and I'm just gonna do an open cup pour and just add the colors. I might actually add some black as well. Like I said, it's gonna be an open cup pour, and I'll just get you down on the canvas and see what comes out of this. Enjoy.
Let your body take control. You're on my mind, baby. Just move a little closer. And I say, oh, it's the night we'll both remember. Oh, sweet surrender. Oh, we're moving close together. Wanna make your body mine through the night. Hot and sweet through the night. Let's get out fast and slow. I wanna get to know you. I know a place where we can go. It's just around the corner. And I say, oh, it's a night we'll both remember. Oh, sweet surrender. Oh, we're moving close together.
And here you have the wet results. I'll just zoom in here. A lot of gold on this part. As you may have noticed, I kind of forgot to put the gold in the first open cup. But I think it worked out. This, I'm very interested to see. You can't really see it because of the light. Interested to see how that dries. Here's some cell reaction starting with the silver, the base coat. Pretty cool. I was hoping for that. And this is not gold, because I forgot to put the gold in, I'm pretty sure. I'll have to go back and watch on the video, but yep. So, pretty cool, I think. From use up all your leftover paints. I'm not unhappy with this one. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye.